Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, hi, good to have you here. If you are a returnee, welcome back. It's always a pleasure to have you back on board. So today's video, I want to be reviewing one of Amazon's best-selling product. It is a retinol cream and it is from a very popular brand, and it's the best-selling product on Amazon for a reason. Too many good reviews about this product. I could not hold my peace. I had to try it, and this is what it looks like. It is the Advanced Clinicals Retinol Firming Cream. This is what it looks like. Today I'm going to be telling you all what you're supposed to know about this product and if it is worth the hype or not. So let's dive right into it. So it comes like this, in the packaging like this. It is a 454-gram packaging. It comes with a pump, plastic, and for the fact that it has a pump, it makes it very hygienic because you don't have to send your finger into the jar to scoop cream and then ending up contaminating the whole product. So it's very hygienic. For that, it is a pass for me. And it is non-scented. It doesn't have any fragrance. So if you're somebody whose body doesn't tolerate fragrance or whose skin doesn't tolerate fragrance, then this is a good option for you. Now let's talk about the ingredients and what this cream is supposed to do on your body. This product contains retinol. It's the active ingredient in this product. It contains retinol. Retinol is known for its anti-aging properties, right? If you have sagging skin, if you have aging skin, fine lines, wrinkles, sunspots, age spots, retinol is very, very good in targeting things like that. This retinol products will help to firm up your skin, give you a plump skin, give you a youthful looking skin. It contains chamomile. Chamomile is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and some antioxidant properties as well. So if you're battling with inflammation on the skin, say you always have pimples, rashes, eczema, any type of inflammation, chamomile helps in calming the skin when it comes to that. So this thing contains chamomile. It contains aloe vera, which is an anti-inflammatory ingredient as well. It is also used for moisturizing the skin, and it also helps to treat pimples. It helps to glow the skin. It helps to hydrate the skin and so on. It contains green tea. Who does not know green tea when it comes to anti-aging? Green tea is very good. It will help with pimples as well. If you have acne on your body, on your back, on your face, anywhere at all, products like this will do you justice. And of course, it contains vitamin E and it contains glycerin and other ingredients. So that is that for the ingredients. Now, who should use it? This cream is suitable for all skin types and it is dermatologically tested. That is to say that you are sure that the ingredients in this product are good and safe, medically proven to be good for dermatologically proven to be good for your skin. Okay, now if you are battling with signs of aging, say your skin is wrinkled, say you are 30 but you look 55, people always ask you how old are you, because you look older than your age, not because you look younger than your age. Go and invest in a cream like this. I paid about £17 for this cream. I'm going to check it and put it on the screen because the price fluctuates from time to time, and I bought it off Amazon. Go and invest in a product like this. If you are above the age of 25 years old, anti-aging products should be your go-to because they will help to firm your skin and they will help to delay the signs of aging. Invest in retinol, invest in collagen products, invest in vitamin C. It is not just the time for you to start hopping from one whitening brand to the other. It is okay if you want to whiten your skin, but make sure you put a place for this product. Now, if you have bleached your skin until your skin has been damaged, go and get products like this. Retinol will help to firm up the skin. If you have sagging skin, you have weak skin, if your skin is mature, by mature skin here, I don't mean that you are 60 years, no. I mean that either you are 60 years, like naturally you have aged up to that level and your skin is showing some signs of aging or mature skin, good. If you are less than that and you know that you use harsh chemicals on your skin, you've been bleaching your skin for a long time without breaks and you've been doing it the wrong way, your skin is already looking old, that's already mature skin you have. You don't need to wait till you get to 60. If you know that you've exposed your skin too much to the sun, it also helps to make you look older than your age. It also helps to damage your skin, making your skin look so mature when actually you are still very young. Invest in something like this. It is very, very good. Now you can use this cream only at night. Only at night for all skin types. Manufacturer says that it's suitable for the face and the body, but now this is my own advice to you. Personally, I don't use it on my face, but if you want to use it on your face, if you are oily or you're acne prone, I don't recommend, because it contains mineral oil, and mineral oil is known for clogging the pores. It's going to clog your pores. It's going to result to breakouts. It's going to result to pimples, rashes, and all those stuff that you don't like. You don't want to treat one problem and then start dealing with another problem. I hope so. So avoid your face if you're oily or you're acne prone. If you're sensitive too, you might want to avoid your face. So now this is what to expect with this cream. This cream is going to give you good results, but you have to be consistent with it and you have to give it time. Now, if you are new to retinol products, say you've never used retinol products before, this is your first time of using retinol, you will experience some tingling sensation on your skin. When you apply it on your skin, you will see your skin is itching. It is normal. Don't freak out, okay? It is okay. That is what you get when you are a beginner. As you use it more often, your skin is going to get used to it and you're not going to have that sensation anymore. Now, if you are a beginner still, make sure you don't use this cream every day. Use it only at night, and use it only 3 nights, 2 to 3 nights in a week for a start. Use it like that for a start. You can use it like that for even up to a month before you start increasing the usage, so that your skin adjusts to it, so that your skin gets used to it. Next thing, when you are using this cream, make sure you protect your skin from the sun. Before going out to the sun, whether you are whatever skin type you have or whatever skin complexion you have, make sure you protect your skin, because retinol has a way of making your skin more sensitive to the sun. So you're going to end up with sunburn. You're going to end up burning your skin if you do not protect your skin. Now, for those who are normal or old users of retinol, you are not new, you can use this cream every evening. Don't use this cream during the day. You are not allowed to put this cream on your body during the day. And when you use it at night, yes, some of you will come and ask me, do I still need to wear sunscreen in the morning if I use it only at night? Yes, you have to wear sunscreen in the morning, and make sure you reapply your sunscreen. Some of you just apply sunscreen once and you go until you come back in the night. It's not like that. When you apply your sunscreen on your skin, after a couple of hours, say 3 hours, go back and reapply, so that you're protecting your skin properly against the sun. So that is it I have to say about this product. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment sections. If you've used this product before, let me know how it worked for you. If you'll be trying it, let me know how it worked. Let me know if you would try it, and if you've used it, let me know how it worked for you. Thank you very much for watching my video, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. If you enjoyed the video, please don't go without leaving me a thumbs up and share it with others, so that all of us can benefit from this amazing product. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Until then, bye.